Hello, folks. Before we get started with the Christian Faithful Flicks, uh, let me invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier, three very accomplished internet marketers in their own right. And this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So if you're interested, please click that first link in the description below. Now, back to the review. You can grab the Christian Faithful Flicks in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses plus much, much more. Bonus number 1 shows you how to drive traffic after you purchase a PLR, just like this one. It explains how you can modify and make PLR your own using tried and true strategies and techniques. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with a ton of free traffic. Bonus number 3 shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And when you get a high order for a high value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr at a lower price and then sell that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. And bonus number 4 shows you how to create a recurring passive income with ease. And the word here is recurring passive income. And bonus number 5 shows you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps while only spending about 15 minutes a day running the entire system. And you also receive many more bonuses from the creators of this package. Now, the creator of Faithful Flicks viral videos, it really is a new partnership. It was formed to produce Faithful Flicks. And you may know Craig Crawford from his Story Shot Christian videos, and Danielle Milandri, who is a producer of viral videos and that I have promoted in the past. Now, Danielle is producing many of these viral videos. Now, I think you'll find the Christian Faithful Flicks viral videos to your liking. And I would suggest that this is something that you would want to act very quickly. Now, in a nutshell, Faithful Flicks are a bundle of PLR Christian videos for TikTok, Shorts, Reels, and more. Things you can know about this product, well, you can upload and edit in a few seconds. Actually, they are PLR, so you can brand them, and you have unrestricted PLR rights on all videos. You can use Canva for free to brand and sell and make a profit. The videos are well researched. They are viral videos and will help boost your social media presence and revenue. And you can tap into the 2.6 billion Christian demographic. Now, the Christian categories include motivational quotes, Bible hope quotes, Bible verses quotes, tough time messages, affirmations for Christians, Bible affirmations, journaling prompts, Christian prayer, Christian quotes, Christians uplifting videos, and the teachings of Jesus. Now, what's included with them? Well, you get 400 unique flicks. All videos are ready to use. You get training. You get royalty-free Christian music. You get 100 spirituality affirmations and 100 motivational, inspirational videos. You get the Art of Living in the Moment video course and an abundance of assorted training bonuses, all free. Now, you can use these and sell them to your authors and illustrators, video creators, web designers, and bloggers. Now, the front end of you receive 400 Christian Faithful Flicks viral videos, completely edible on Canva, and can be loaded to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. They come with 100% unrestricted use rights for $14.95. There's also a bump that includes 200 more Christian Reels for $900, and or $9, I should say. These Christian Reels bump is something that you should really consider. And did I say you also get 3 bonuses besides mine with the product? A super deal. Now, there are several OTOs. OTO 1, there's an expansion pack of Faithful Flicks for $27. There's 450 Christian Social Media Bundle for $17. There's Bible Tales for Young Hearts for $24.95. Music membership for $14.95. And that's Christian music, I understand. Selling with Stories, training for $37. And The Art of Upselling. Now, if you want to know more, you can click the full story below. And before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link. And my 5 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and drive traffic after you purchase a PLR product. And don't forget the bonuses that you also receive with this particular product. Now, thank you for watching, folks. See you next time.